Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the gold figure indicator. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to set it up and how to use it and all. So I'm going to make this a very short video and show you how to set this up with the best optimization. The version I'm using right now is 1.6. Okay, so what I'm going to do is for those people that are using the 1.6 version right now, the best settings for me, okay, there's two settings. This one here, sensitivity level low, MA filter true, and MA period at 9. Okay, this is not the default setting currently. I will be updating it soon, but those of you that do have the 1.26 version, make sure you set this, then save it as default, because I've tested these settings out and take a look at the result in the last month right here. It's been amazing. Okay, so I've been getting such a better win rate with these settings, and also I've lowered my RR from 1 to 2 to 1 to 1.5, and it's been working just great for me. Okay, now I'm going to quickly show you how to enter orders. Okay, so first off, when you do load the gold finger, you want to go in and then change your settings, right? Just as I've showed you here. I'll be putting this settings down in the description down below, so you guys can go set this. But I'm going to try to make the 1.27 version so that this is the default settings. Okay, so this is the one that I have been using for the past month, and I grew this demo account from 1,500 now to 8,600. So I'm also using it on my live account as well, and it's been working great for me. You guys can try it out. It's on the MT5 market. I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you guys can take a look at it. Here I'm using it in conjunction with two other indicators. So I'm using it with the MA100 line, and I'm using it with my MACD candles. I also have this on the MQL marketplace. So what you want to do when you want to enter order is, let's say here you have a green candle, or a green arrow. So here we have a excellent entry point here. Why? Because it's above the 100 MA100 line. You get a clear signal, and the MACD is above the 0 line. So the MACD here, I have a multi-time frame dashboard here. If it's blue, that means the MACD is above the 0 line. So that means it's a bullish trend. Here we have it all across the board. This is gold, right? So all across the board, MACD on all time frames are bullish. I have a bullish arrow. The price is above the MA100 line. Here would be your entry point. Last swing low would be your TP, right? So I'm sorry, your SL would be down here. Okay, last swing low is about here, so that's pretty close. So it should be right around there. And then your TP would be 1 to 1.5, so right around here. And there you would win this trade. In this example, we would not be taking the trade. We'll be looking at the price, see where the price is not below the MA100 line. And also, I would think that at this point right here, the MACD, probably only the H1, M15, and M5 would be bearish, but then on the higher time frame, you would the H4 would still be bullish. So that's what you want to look at here. Make sure if you would enter this order here, this one here, you can enter an order here, but it would probably be against the high time frame signals. Okay. Here the price ends down here. You can enter here. Your stop loss would probably be up here, because I'm not sure if this was news or a fake out or something at this time. Okay. When price moves down 1R, this is where you should be moving your stop loss to your entry point or break-even point. Okay, but here you still you would lose this trade right here. But again, you would have to be looking at the whole trend, because on the high time frame, the H4, as you can see, the H4, you have a green arrow, and the MACD would be blue, and the price is above the MA200 line. So you might want to check that out. So like I said before, you want to make sure that the signals match at least, okay? Preferably 4, but at least if you're trading on the lower time frame, you want to have your M5, M15, sorry here. You want to have your M5, M15, M30, and at least H1. Okay, so with the same color, same signals, that would be a great entry point. Now, if you exited, let's say for example here, right? You took your TP probably here, and you wanted to enter again. What you want to do is you want to wait for the color to change, the MACD to change, and then change back to the bullish color. Here, we didn't get a red arrow. So if this changed blue, there's a possible entry point right here. But we're also waiting for the news today. Today we have a lot of big important news. Okay, so we have non-farm, averagely hour earnings, and unemployment rate. And the time is tentative, so I'm not sure when they're going to announce this, but probably soon. So best not to trade during 1 hour before news and 1 hour after. Okay, you want it to cool down before you get back into looking at the signals. You also don't want to be trading at the end of the New York session. Okay, so you want to enter into the earlier part of the day, preferably from 10 to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here in Thailand, I live in Thailand, I would not trade after midnight. So I would be trading somewhere, from the beginning of the market up until midnight. So it would be around like 8 p.m., 9 p.m. I would start looking at entry points. But if I couldn't find one after at 12 or even before 12, I would just stop trading for that day. Okay, so I'll write the rules or the instructions on how to use or how to enter trades using the Goldfinger in the description, and I'll also write it in the MQL marketplace. Okay, so hopefully, oh, one more thing. So this indicator, the Goldfinger indicator, you can use it with any commodity. You can use it with, GU, you use it with gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, whatever you like. Okay, they all work the same. All right, so I hope the explanation was clear to you. I'm not a great speaker, so I hope you understand my explanation easily. And if you don't, please leave a comment, leave your questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so don't forget to check out my products on the MQL marketplace. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you want to see some more videos, sample videos like this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so that way you can see my other instructional videos in the future. Okay, and that's it for this video. Thank you and happy trading.